If you've noticed a red car with a key symbol flashing on your Nissan dashboard, you're definitely not alone. This warning light appears more often than you might think, and today we're going to explain exactly what it means and how to fix it. This symbol represents your Nissan's Intelligent Key System warning light, also known as the security indicator light. When it appears, it means your car's anti-theft system has detected a problem with key recognition or security protocols. Essentially, your vehicle is saying it can't properly identify your key as authorized to start the engine. The good news is that most of the time, this issue can be resolved without a trip to the dealership. But first, let's understand what might be causing this problem. The most common cause is a weak or dead key fob battery. Your Nissan's Intelligent Key System relies on a radio frequency signal between your key fob and the car's receiver. When the battery in your key fob starts dying, this signal becomes too weak for your car to detect, triggering the warning light. This accounts for about 90% of cases. Another frequent issue is that your key fob simply isn't inside the vehicle. The Intelligent Key System requires the fob to be physically present in the cabin to start the engine. Sometimes people leave their keys in their jacket pocket outside the car, or the fob falls between seats where the signal can't reach the receiver properly. Electronic interference is also a real problem in today's connected world. Your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or even certain medical devices can interfere with the radio frequency your key fob uses to communicate with your car. This is becoming more common as we carry more wireless devices. You might also be dealing with a programming issue if you're using a spare key or valet key that wasn't properly synchronized with your vehicle's security system. Not all keys are created equal, and some need specific programming to work with advanced features. In some cases, the issue could be more serious. A faulty key fob with damaged internal components, problems with your car's intelligent key antenna, or issues with the vehicle's security system itself can all trigger this warning light. Now, here's your step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Start with the simplest solution. Make sure your key fob is actually inside the car and try holding it directly next to the start button. Sometimes the receiver just needs a stronger signal to recognize your key. If that doesn't work, replace your key fob battery. You'll need a CR2032 battery, which you can find at any pharmacy or electronics store. The battery compartment is usually accessible by sliding or pressing a small tab on your key fob. This fix works in the majority of cases. Next, remove any electronic devices from your immediate area. Your phone, close your laptop, and move any other wireless devices away from the key area. Then try starting your car again. Test your spare key if you have one. If your spare key works fine, you know the problem is with your primary key fob, not your car's system. Check if your steering wheel moves freely. Sometimes the steering wheel lock can engage improperly, triggering security warnings. Try gently turning the wheel left and right while pressing the start button. If you're still seeing the warning light after trying these steps, you're likely dealing with a more complex issue that requires professional attention. This could involve reprogramming your keys, diagnosing antenna problems, or addressing issues with your car's security module. Here's something important to remember. This warning light is actually protecting you. While it can be inconvenient when it malfunctions, the Intelligent Key System is designed to prevent unauthorized access to your vehicle. Most Nissan owners will encounter this warning light at some point, especially as their key fob batteries age.